Hello, my friend. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and we have had a really busy month. I thought it'd be kind of fun just to do a recap of everything that's been released this month, because you know what? There's a chance that you might have missed something, and you don't want to miss anything, right? For example, we released our cute onesie Fold It. Now, a Fold It is a card shape, which is really fun in different shapes. So we have the cute little onesie, which is fun. It comes with a little bottle and a little rattle, but it's just oh so cute. Makes the perfect little shower announcement or birthday baby announcement or anything like that. We also released a horse Fold It. Now, I know that might seem a little silly, but you know what? Let me tell you, it was extremely popular. You're definitely going to want to check that one out. It's really cute and really fun. And you know what? Sometimes you just need some fun farm animals. We also released a bird cage Fold It. We came out with birds on our club days, and we also added a bird cage, which is so fun because the wires on this bird cage are just so thin. They're just gorgeous when you die cut them. We also came out with our slimline card dies. Let me tell you, chances are they were already sold out because they're so awesome. We also came out with word dies that matched our slimline dies. For example, pray and thanks, and they have other words too. There's a hello and there's one other one, so you'll have to go check that out. Here's an example of the slimline, that everything that comes in it plus another die. So that was really popular. Oh, there's some more birds with our birdhouse. So our birdhouse is not brand new, but it goes perfectly with our club sets, the birds. So a lot of people were picking that up as well. Here's a gorgeous example of those birds and our bird cage. So fun. Now, what if you don't want any birds in your bird cage? Look at how gorgeous that one is. Card shaped, card size, but look how cute it is with no birds at all. We also came out with, dun, 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 our Halloween spooky haunted house. So fun, so adorable. All of these products are available on our website, but look how cute that is. And this is using the box card. It folds flat for mailing, so even better. Then we came out with our triangle box die. This is perfect for making cute little ornaments. See how cute that is? Little animals. You could do a little Santa head. Santa body, Santa hat. You could do the candy corn, which I really love, and lots of other animals. So go check that one out as well. And last but not least, let's look at another horse Fold It because they are so dang cute. I love them. So go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Chances are you might have missed something and you're going to want to go see. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.